Hey guys, Dan Frio, the Mortgage Update. Today we're going to find out how you can renovate your house or buy a home that you want to rehab with some financing. And we're going to finance it right into your loan. So stay tuned. In the meantime, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, click down below and subscribe, and also click that bell so every time I do post a new video, you get alerted and you can watch the videos. So what we're going to talk about today in particular is the HomeStyle renovation loans. Now, this program is available in two categories or two sections. You can purchase a home and you can refinance a home. Okay, both of those go up to 95% of the value of the property. Okay, so again, you can purchase a home at 95 with 5% down, or you can refinance or rehab your home that you already own up to 95% of the completed value after the rehab or the renovations. So let's get to it. Let me go through some of the areas that we're going to cover. But you might say, Dan, I can do this with a 203K loan. Yes, maybe. And the maybe is you cannot do a 203K loan on an investment property, and you can with this loan. One of the biggest reasons why I am not going to put a lot of people into an FHA 203K program going forward is the cost. So an example is, I just recently did a loan. It was a $400,000 loan. Okay, if I would have went with FHA charges 1.75% of the loan amount as a fee to insure that loan. Guys, that's $7,000. $7,000 it would have cost that person just to get the FHA insurance. I didn't like that way. I'm not here to burn your money. I'm here to save you money and put you in the best programs possible. So we put them into the HomeStyle program. So here's how it works. This is just a brief snapshot. If you would, and I apologize, I know it's a little bit blurry, but pause it here and just kind of go through some of the numbers. This person is purchasing a house for $250,000. They need $250,000 in renovations. For the total value of that property is going to be $500,000. So in this one, it really didn't add a lot of value to the as is or completed program or value of the property, so it's worth $500,000 at that point. But now you got darn near a brand new home in an existing area that you wanted to be in. So in that case, again, we can only go 95% loan to value. So you put down $25,000, but again, look, you got $250,000 in rehab money. So you put $25,000 down and you get a loan for $475,000. That's how we're financing in all the costs. And one of the good things about this program is, conversely, with a 203K program, you need to get HUD contractors and HUD counselors involved. That adds more people to the picture, just adds more confusion to the whole process. This one you don't. You control it. Okay? So let me go through some of the guidelines with you just briefly. Right here, and I'm going to show you one more slide, just to make it a little bit simpler. Loan to value. Well, let's go through the property types. Property types, they should be pretty self-explanatory, but I'm going to go over with you. A one unit is just a single family home, one family home. Okay. Manufactured or modular homes, we don't have these really in Illinois and Indiana and other places they do. So, these can be done as well. 2-unit properties, you might be looking at a duplex. In Chicago, 2 to 4 units are common. That's what we call them here. So it could be a 2-family home, 3-family home, 4-family home. So it's a big building. Families live accordingly. So the LTV is the loan to value. So on a 1-unit property, you can go up to 95% of the home's value in the loan amount. Okay, that's purchase and rate and term. You might say, well, Dan, the rate and term is I'm financing only the rate and term of my existing mortgage. No, because this money is going in to improve the home, it is not considered what we call cash out. So basically, you finance all this money into it. So you can get you can finance your property up to 95% and use that money to rehab the property. So let me make this simple. You have a $400,000 home. And you owe on that $400,000 home $250,000. Okay, so let's figure out the math on this. So 95% of $400,000 is $380,000. So you can get a loan for $380,000. You owe, or we owe, $250,000 on it. So you can get $130,000. $130,000 to fix up your house. And you can use it for almost anything you want to do. Put a new roof on, put a new kitchen in, bathrooms. You can even do luxurious items such as you might want to put a gazebo or a big bar in your backyard, granite countertops, big screen TVs, all the works. As long as the value of the house after you do all the improvements support it, you're good to go. So again, you can see in here, you can do second homes, you can do investment properties. Okay, you can do an investment property up to 85% if you're purchasing it, or 75% if you already own it, and pull out monies to renovate the property. Okay, that's huge. So this breaks it down a little bit more into detail, and again, loan to value breaks it down that way. The appraisal it's a one-time appraisal. It's going to be as completed. So what you're going to do is you're going to say, Dan, here's my house. Here's my contractor bid. This is all the work we're going to do to the property. So then when we get the house appraised, we're going to say, well, appraise the house, but also appraise it with all this stuff being done. What's it going to be worth at that point? And that's what everything is based off of. Okay. So you're going to take it, you could have it completely down to studs and say, I have a client right now that's basically, they're down to studs. They ran out of money. What do? We do this loan. And then it's going to turn into that. So you want to take this, put it into this, or you might have, it might not be that bad. You might want to complete your basement. You might want to put an addition on. You might want to put a pool in. Anything you want to do, you can do it with this program. So you just want to, and if you just want to do some little TLC, you can do it as well. This one just needed some painting, some floors put in. They put in some new windows, things like that. It's an awesome program. And again, remember, this can be an investment property, and also we don't have that FHA fee that we have to pay that can cost you thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. So if I can be of any help, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. If I can be of any help, please let me know. Reach out to me. You can reach me at 1160mortgage.com. You can also reach me at themortgageupdate.net. Those are two websites that I have. If you want to reach me personally by calling, call me at 630-338-1160. Or you can reach me via email. That's probably one of the best ways to get me and get a response back as soon as possible at Dan, D-A-N, dot, put a dot right there, Frio, F-R-I-O, at gmail.com. So again, I hope you liked the video. If there's anything that I can help you with, please put down in the comments below. Ask me any questions. Ask me for any help you want, but I'd love to hear from you. So thank you very much. God bless. Have a great day.